Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2022 BMW Z4. The Z4 is much the same as it was last year, but ambient lighting is no longer standard and wireless smartphone charging is no longer an option. The driving assistance package has been removed from the convenience and premium packages and is now a standalone option package. At its base price, the 2022 Z4 Drive30i is an undeniable value. It costs considerably less than its main rival, the Porsche Boxster, and it offers more than enough performance for most buyers. You can also dress it up with the M Sport kit, which adds an M Sport suspension for better handling and dials up its appearance inside and out with an aerodynamic body kit and M Sport steering wheel. Larger 19-inch wheels and tires are also available, and BMW offers the dynamic handling package, which adds larger M Sport brakes and its M Sport differential for additional traction. Your new Z4 still won't accelerate like the much more powerful M40i, but it'll be more than quick enough to satisfy. Every 2022 Z4 has an 8-speed automatic transmission with sport mode as well as manual mode. Paddle shifters mounted to the steering wheel are also standard. That's right. For the first time, the BMW Z4 is not available with a traditional manual transmission with a clutch pedal. With its exceptional performance, it may surprise you that the Z4 is one of the most fuel-efficient sports cars in its class. The fuel economy of the Z4 sdrive30i is rated by the EPA to be 25 mpg city and 32 mpg on the highway. With its much higher level of horsepower, the fuel economy of the Z4 M40i is just a single mpg lower, getting 24 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. As is the case with all current BMWs, the Z4 has a very high-quality interior. In fact, it may have the best interior in this class. It features luxe materials, exceptional panel fitment, and excellent control placement. Its seats are comfortable with sizable bolsters to hold you in place when you're enjoying the Z4's dynamics. There is also more room inside than you might expect, even for those taller than 6 feet. Thick and insulated, its cloth roof seals tightly. When the top is up, the BMW's interior is impressively quiet, with so little wind or road noise it almost feels like a grand touring coupe. With the push of a button, it folds away in a few seconds.